Welcome to Let's Roger That, and this is a quick short to show you I've made myself one of those DRO tailstock mounts for my 1944 Southbend 13. And basically what the original looks like is this. I made some modifications to mine. This had to be strengthened and beveled. This had to be slightly larger diameter. And I cut this off and this as well in order to allow for my caliper to fit. So let's go to the shop and I'll show you what I did. As you can see, I've taken this out, modified the that height gauge, and what I thought would be cool is I took the locking screw for the height gauge and I turned, I made it into a holder so that it could hold on to my adapter here. And the front, quite simple. I just took a couple screws, put them in. So check this out. What I like about this is I can start anywhere and I can zero this little gizmo here. And here you go. Turn the handle and you've got yourself a nice precise tailstock indicator. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll put the link to the file in my description. Take care. Bye-bye.